Hey cooking fam, I'm just doing this little video to say happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. You know, this Mother's Day, it's a bittersweet thing because some people, even though they're mothers, they have lost their mothers, they have lost children. Some have had kids that were born and they didn't stay on with them, so it's like a real bittersweet thing. And I'm not sure how much society really values certain things, because to me I think that once you're conceived as a woman, you've become a mother. Some people, they have stillborn, some people have miscarriages, you're still a mom. So I think it's a bittersweet day for some people. So those who have it all, try to enjoy, try to the best of your ability. Some fathers are mothers too. Big ups to you. I always say hi and big ups to you. Always identify you. And try, for those who are getting all the pampering, try to remember those that are grieving. Some people will be getting pampered, some will be grieving. That's why I say it's a bittersweet day. So I just want to let you know that it's a beautiful day just the same. It's Mother's Day, and I think all the mothers do enjoy some highlighting. And I hope that you'll be getting your favorite Jamaican meal cooked. So in the comment section of this video, let me know what you got cooked for your mama, for your Mother's Day dinner. And look here, if nobody not come forward for cook anything for you and you got your food, don't sit down and talk about this, that, and the other. Cook your food. Some people will be going out, eating out. Yeah, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. So happy, peaceful, blessed, pampered Mother's Day to all the mommies out there. Enjoy to the fullest of your ability. Some will be having it hard, as me repeat it. Bittersweet. Some people lost their mom. Last year, this time they had them, but this time they don't know. They don't have them. To all the new moms, happy Mother's Day. Enjoy this journey of life. As Kimmy would have said, all who still dip on the gelding chuck, just go and hold the faith until your time come and you come off of the chuck. Motherhood is nice to experience, but it also comes with a big responsibility, So, you know how it goes. It's a really, really huge responsibility being a mother. So as I said, enjoy, make the best of it. Yes, it comes only once per year. And I sent out Mother's Day wishes to somebody in the UK, and I didn't even remember that their Mother's Day come from in March. So happy belated to all my UK fans that you got your Mother's Day early. So that's just what this is all about. Happy Mother's Day, y'all. Love you.